Opal Wynne and Omer Bangerter Jr. were married in 1943. Their family doubled in size as they were blessed with the birth of twin boys, Dee and Lee. 6 months after the twins' birth, Omer was sent off to World War II and served in Papua New Guinea, where he was unfortunately killed in a terrible Jeep accident. Opal was heartbroken upon hearing this news, but she was determined to provide a good life for her young boys. Facing many challenges, Opal moved to California and secured a position with Kimberly-Clark. Shortly thereafter, she was approached by a gentleman who offered to sell her a donut shop. She thought this was her big chance and seized the opportunity. While running the donut shop, she quickly realized that she did not experience the personal fulfillment she desired. So, she decided to look for another opportunity. She was soon approached about buying a small nursing home. Opal jumped at the offer to purchase the nursing home and began to follow her passion of assisting those in need. She was responsible for every aspect of running the nursing home, including patient care, cooking, cleaning, laundry, and many other responsibilities to ensure the best care. She found a tremendous amount of personal satisfaction in doing what she loved to do, helping others. As the twins became adults and graduated from college, both started their careers in healthcare. Lee joined Opal and assisted her in running the nursing home, and Dee secured an accounting position in Arthur Andersen's healthcare division. Eventually, Dee and Lee joined forces and formed Care Enterprises, which grew to be one of the largest nursing home companies in the United States during the 1980s. In 1989, Lee and Dee relocated to Utah to create Rocky Mountain Care. Today, Rocky Mountain Care employs thousands of employees who provide the following care continuum services: skilled nursing and rehabilitation facilities, assisted living facilities, home health care, hospice, personal care, palliative care, chronic care management, outpatient therapy, physician services, and emergency pendants. Rocky Mountain Care also provides a support center for our care continuum, as well as business units that specialize in the following areas: medical claims and billing, accounting and payroll, information technology, and management and support services. To this day, Rocky Mountain Care continues in Opal's passion, helping others by providing simply the best care. The culture of seeing others as people and treating them as such was a founding principle of Opal and can be found throughout Rocky Mountain Care today.